Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to source books using the Amazon Seller app completely free. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. If you're new here, would you please like, subscribe, and leave a comment so I can get to know you? Thank you so much for watching. See ya. God. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I will be showing you how to use the Amazon Seller app to scan books. Okay, so for starters, I scan this book here called Echo, and it is a novel. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's a young adult novel. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you scan the book. Obviously, let's put a scan right here. Okay, you're gonna want to scan the barcode of the book, and there's a little light button here at the top right corner if you need to use it. Let me go back and show you how that works. Okay, so hit scan, light. There we go. Scans it even faster. Okay, so what you want to look at here is first you're gonna want to find the actual book. So I would pick the top one because it matches closely to the cover that I have in front of me. And then you're gonna want to look at that sales rank. That sales rank is 8,000, which is good. This thing is selling like hotcakes. So let's look at the new price. See, for new listing, it's selling at $15.37. And if you sell it as new, your profits would be $11.26. Now, if we go to the used tab, you can see that the used price is $6.29. The FBA fees will be $2.74 for this book, and your proceeds, your profit will be $3.55. So this is definitely a book that you want to get your hands on and send into the warehouse. Now, when you click on that arrow, you're gonna get a little more information on the book. So if you're doing seller fulfilled, which means you're just keeping the book at your house and you're gonna ship it yourself to the customer once it sells, then your proceeds will be $3.55. Here you can see the lowest price that it's selling for right now at $2.30. You get shipping credits of $3.99. Total price will be $6.29 minus the FBA fees, which is $2.74. So let's click on that. There is a 94-cent referral fee and a $1.80 closing fee. So your total fees for selling this book will be $2.78. Okay. And then right here you can enter your cost of purchase. Now this book I purchased for 50 cents. So that would leave my profit at $3.05. I'm in the green, so that is a go. Now for you guys who are sending your stuff to Amazon, and let's say you want to sell this book for, you should never sell a book for $6 ever. I actually will have this book listed for $11.70. And once you do that, you put in the price that you're gonna sell it for. In FBA fees, you're gonna pay out $8.82. $1.76 referral fee. Then you have your variable closing fee, and you're gonna have your pick and pack fee. So keep that in mind, you guys, when you sell these books, that you have all these extra fees to look at and consider when choosing your price point. Now, with a total of $8.82 in fees and the cost of purchase of 50 cents for the book, my total profit for this purchase will be $2.38. So I will be more than tripling my money, which is always good. You always want to at least shoot for tripling your income, your investment. So there you have that, guys. And now let me show you how it looks when you buy a book that is not gonna make a profit. So we're gonna click on the scan button here, and it's gonna scan this new book. And this book is the Nat Geo Hawaii 3rd edition. Now let's click on the arrow to get a little more information about it. Okay, once we click the arrow, we can definitely see the first thing that pops out at me is the rank. And the rank is 2,751 million, which means this book is not selling as frequently as the last book. So let's see. Let's click on the new tab here. Brand new, this book is $6.22. FBA fees are $2.73, which leaves you with a profit of $3.49. Now, if you found this book in used condition, the lowest selling price is $4.49. That is the lowest, and the fees are $2.47, leaving you a proceed of $2.02. So let's dig into that a little deeper. We're gonna click on here. Okay, so if you're selling it yourself from home and you're going to ship it to the customer once the order comes in, then you are looking to make, you're gonna make $2.02. And that's if you sell the book for 50 cents, which kind of sucks. I mean, look at these fees. That's insane. $4.49. And someone is actually selling this for 50 cents. Like, that's ridiculous. Okay, so let's go to the bottom here where it says cost of purchase. Let's put on there that we paid 50 cents for this book. Click on done. Your total profit is going to be $1.52. Okay, because I guess they take let me see, let's add shipping to the customer. A book like this probably ships for about $2.70, and it's going to leave you in the negative by $1.18, which is never a good idea. So this book is not worth buying. So keep that in mind, guys, as a tip. Something that has a rank, a book or a product that has a rank of over 2 million is probably not a good idea to purchase. Now let's say we want to send this to the warehouse, right? Click on the Amazon Fulfill tab. Okay. If we sell it used at $4.49, there's actually more FBA fees. Wow. And they're way high. They're like almost twice as high as the selling price. Like, you are actually paying Amazon at this point to sell the book for you. And that is not a way to do business. Okay, so that is dumb. Don't do that. Okay, so even if we were to, like, let's see, let's play with these numbers a little bit. Let's say I want to sell this book for, I don't know, $8, right? 800, and click done. See, even if we were to double the price, our profit is still negative 26 cents. So guys, I mean, just avoid books like this, you know, at all costs. 2 million rank is not where you want to be at. So yeah, always make sure that you check out the ranks on these books, because ranks mean everything when it comes to selling on Amazon. You don't want to invest and not make that money back. You want to make at least triple what you're investing. If you guys have any questions and you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope it was very useful to you. I will be making videos daily, so keep in touch, guys. Can't wait to hear from you.